Good evening, esteemed guests, tech enthusiasts, and valued attendees. It is with great excitement that I present to you the OPPO A5 Pro 5G, a smartphone that redefines durability, performance, and innovation in the mid-range segment. Introduction: a new era of smartphone durability in an age where smartphones are integral to our daily lives. The OPPO A5 Pro 5G emerges as a beacon of resilience and functionality. Designed to withstand the rigors of both urban and extreme environments, this device is not just a smartphone, it's a reliable companion for every adventure. Design and display: elegance meets robustness. The OPPO A5 Pro 5G boasts a sleek and lightweight design, weighing between 180g and 186g, and measuring a mere 7.55mm to 7.67mm in thickness, depending on the variant. Its 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display offers a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits peak brightness, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the screen is both stunning and resilient. Performance: powering through tasks with ease under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, built on a 4nm process, coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This configuration ensures seamless multitasking, efficient performance, and ample storage for all your needs. Running on Android 15 with ColorOS 15, users can expect a fluid and intuitive user experience. Camera capabilities: capturing moments in clarity. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual rear camera setup, featuring a 50MP primary sensor with an f/1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization (OIS), alongside a 2MP monochrome sensor for depth effects. The 16MP front-facing camera ensures sharp and clear selfies. With support for 4K video recording and various photography modes, capturing life's moments has never been more delightful. Battery and charging: staying powered throughout the day. Equipped with a massive 5800 mAh battery, the OPPO A5 Pro 5G promises extended usage without frequent recharging. When it's time to power up, the 45W SuperVOOC fast charging technology ensures that you can reach 45% charge in just 20 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected. Durability: built to withstand the elements, what truly sets the OPPO A5 Pro 5G apart is its unparalleled durability. It holds IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings, making it resistant to dust, water, and high-pressure sprays. Moreover, it has passed 14 military standard environmental tests, including extreme temperatures ranging from -35°C to 47°C, ensuring reliability in the harshest conditions. The device's robust build is complemented by dual flagship-grade anti-drop glass and a bundled air cushion protective case, offering peace of mind against accidental drops. Connectivity and additional features: enhancing everyday use. The OPPO A5 Pro 5G supports a comprehensive range of connectivity options, including 5G SA/NSA, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, and multifunctional NFC. Its Jucter antenna system ensures strong signal reception, even in challenging environments like elevators. Additional features such as stereo dual speakers, an in-display optical fingerprint sensor, and high-energy outdoor mode cater to both entertainment and practical needs. Conclusion: a testament to innovation and reliability. In conclusion, the OPPO A5 Pro 5G stands as a testament to what modern smartphones can achieve when durability, performance, and user-centric features converge. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, this device is engineered to keep up with your lifestyle, ensuring that you're always connected, protected, and empowered. Thank you for your attention, and I invite you to experience firsthand the remarkable capabilities of the OPPO A5 Pro 5G. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.